I can make from 1 until, so you can see the curvature or look so good now. In this video I'm going to show you a quick tip for the filleting. You see here the board or looks like hard. Let me go to the bar future. So I need to make this curve maybe less than this smoothness. For clarifying, let's just make this hard edge. So I have now, this is as a hard edge, and this one also is a hard edge. So I don't need to make it manually or randomly with the bar surfacing. So I have from 0 to 100 edge and vertex weight. So as you see, this is 1 until we go to 100. Alright, of course, the more you add subdivision levels, the more quality you got. Here you have until 6 of level quality, which is causing some issues on the performance. So you can see now I'm going to use 3 levels, so 3 is very enough to me. Now when I just select this, I don't know actually what radius is that, because it's just from 0 to 100. So I'm going to use hard edge, so that's 100 now, and on the other way it's just same 100. Now let me convert this, and now I got ability to use the features of the SolidWorks. So from here, when I just go to fillet, so you can see this is very nice fillet. It's just 21 millimeters because this part is very big. And when I just increase it, so I have the ability to make any number of fillet I want. So let's say I'm just happy with 170. I'm gonna apply it, and it's automatically gonna make me a nice fillet like that, and with no issues actually. And for the other side here, so you can see it didn't actually work quite good, and it stopped at 21, and it didn't make a nice transition from this section. So let's go to edit the future again to see where is the problem. So the first thing, this part here looks like it a little bit of tangent on here, so it couldn't actually go through this section. And from here you can see that it's taking the 90 degrees, so it just caused a good fillet here. Now go to here, right click, and make this smooth. So that's the blending. If we just want it, I can make from 1 until any number I want. So let's say I'm just happy with 35. Alright, when I just hit OK, so you're gonna see that's nice blending I got. So when we go to evaluate curvature, so you can see the curvature or look so good now, and the zebra stripes also have a nice and cool blending. So we have here the regular fillets and the bar surfacing fillets. If I just need it to be more sharp, I can use the SolidWorks fillets. However, I can use both from the bar surfacing, but it's gonna be looks like a little bit randomly because we have something like percent weight here. It's just not like millimeters, it's just percentage weight. So you can use it like very hard like that, or smooth. Alright, now if we just finish this, you can see that very nice. So we actually got our part as we want. Now maybe go back, give it a thickness, and make it minus. This part is very huge, so maybe 9 millimeters to make it visible and convert. So now I have a solid body without any issues and got my fillets. Let's go to the section and see. So you could see actually it's blending in nice with the thickness. Alright, so I hope you just learned something about filleting with bar surfacing and SolidWorks together. See you next video.